Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, August the 17th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. The first one I've already solved, the binary. The second one I will start in a minute, the Sudoku Medium, and the killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading those to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job, yes. So half of them, 4 of those puzzles I will solve. But first, these 3 regular puzzles. By the way, I don't know if I've mentioned. Today is day number 175. 175 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and the world has been changed. Yes. All right. This will be number 5027. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. I can start with the 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in the third row. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the second column. So no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. That means 2 missing numbers now in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers. Can I fill this yet? I don't think so, but well, we have a 7 in this column, the 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are... two of those missing numbers are... Two of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, and only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me think. 2, 3, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this big square. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 2. Now we have a 2 here. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2 and a 9. Now we have a 2 here in the last column. So no 2 here. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this column. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, so 1 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number F4. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this column, third column, should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third column, 4 numbers, 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. So no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Well. How about Let me see. Are the 2's completed? No. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Right. 1 box left in this row for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and 8. Now we have an 8 here in the first column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. And that box should be an 8. And this box should be an 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle rows on the row below. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 goes there. And all the 7's are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Number 7. Lucky 7. Yes. Alright. Okay. And now. 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. So no 5 there, 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. 1 number left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then let me see the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 6. Now we have a 1 here in this row. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6, it goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle. Yes, it's a regular puzzle. It's a killer Sudoku. Sudoku mix. Always on Wednesday in the regular puzzles. Well, until then, bye-bye. for now.